Hello, everyone. I'm John, and today I want to talk about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully and understand easily. This lesson is helpful for beginners and A2 learners who want to improve their daily English. Please relax, take your time, and learn with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly and get out of bed. I stretch my arms and legs, take a deep breath, and feel fresh and calm. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully, and I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake and ready for the day. Sometimes I look in the mirror and smile to start my day in a positive way. Then I go to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast. Most days I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I also eat some fruit like an apple or a banana. I like to drink a hot cup of tea in the morning because it makes me feel warm and relaxed. While I eat my breakfast, I think about my plans for the day. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose simple and comfortable clothes. I usually wear jeans and a clean shirt. If the weather is cold, I put on a sweater as well. Then I comb my hair and make sure I look neat. Next, I check my bag to see if everything is inside. I make sure I have my phone, my keys, and my wallet. I also check the time so I'm not late. When I am ready, I wear my shoes and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop and see many people around me. Some people are going to work and some people are going to school. The morning air feels fresh and the street feels a little busy. I enjoy this quiet morning time before the day becomes very active. This is how I start my day every morning. Now I want to ask you a simple question. What is your morning routine? What do you do after you wake up? Thank you very much for watching and learning with me. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy and helpful English lessons.